world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are not talking about the knife. Today we are talking about this thing, the upper arm blood pressure monitor. Measures while inflating irregular heartbeat detection, 2 users and 60 readings, upper arm clinically validated. Okay, and we see a little picture there. You get a pouch, you get 4 AAA batteries, you get 1 cuff. Here it says the same thing, and here it says something else that you can read at your own leisure. Okay, I have never had any type of blood pressure problems in my life, and I just turned 44. Last week I went to the doctor and I thought I had, I don't know, COVID or sinus or some kind of insane headache. Anyway, when I got there, apparently my blood pressure was way too high. So, after the bloodletting and drilling holes in my skull, I'm kidding, kind of. Anyway, after that, I got put onto medication and now I feel way better. But now, unfortunately, I have to check my blood pressure every now and again because, yeah, we're still trying to figure out what went wrong. Anyway, so this thing, my wife bought this. And then when I saw this thing and I started reading the instruction booklet, I immediately started feeling sad because this looked like a lot and I didn't know what was going on here. But this thing is actually quite fantastic. It's quite idiot-proof, this one, so it works for me. First thing, you put it on your arm. Okay, like so. This thing is supposed to be here, apparently. Don't make it too tight. Put it on your actual arm. Take this pluggy thing over here. Stab it into the side over here. And then press the start button. Now it will blow up, take your blood pressure, and let you know if you're still alive. I don't know if you can actually see the little numbers. Okay, can you hear it? It's making sounds and it's popping up around my arm. Okay, and there it says my heart is pumping way too fast, but I hope it's because I'm sitting here on my tippy toes behind the tripod. And then the pressure doesn't seem to be too crazy now. This is, I think 120 over 80 is like fine, so it's only slightly raised, and I am in no imminent danger of popping a vein. Okay, so yes, my wife bought this, so I'm going to share it with you. Good health to all of you. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.